High-fidelity AI video generation usually comes with a steep price tag. Between expensive subscriptions and pay-per-generation credits, testing a single commercial concept can easily burn through hundreds of dollars before you get a usable shot. Google's newest generation engine, Veo 3, is already available through several browser-based access points. This playbook details exactly how to utilize these pathways to access premium video models without the standard entry costs. We are going to walk through 3 specific, entirely distinct methods to bypass standard paywalls. Here is a quick look at the matrix we're building today. By mastering these 3 access points, you can generate a high volume of professional video without increasing your production overhead. Pathway 1 is Google Flow. Search for it in your browser, accept the initial privacy terms, and click the blue Create a New Project button here in the center of the dashboard. Right away, Google provisions your account with 50 free generation credits every single day. Over a month, this provides the rendering capacity of a high-tier paid subscription at 0 cost. Before you type anything, we need to optimize the engine. Open your settings, locate the Video Models dropdown, and select OmniFlash. This model provides the most balanced combination of generation speed and clean aesthetics. Maintaining your 50 credit balance requires precision. Malformed or vague prompts will still deduct from your daily allowance even if the output is unusable. To manage this, look at the Settings panel and activate the Storyboard image switch. This forces the engine to generate a static preview first, allowing you to audit the composition before rendering motion. If you skip the storyboard and click Approve on a prompt, a full video render deducts exactly 15 credits from your daily allowance. Google Flow handles high-volume output exceptionally well, provided you rigorously adhere to the storyboard preview protocol for every new generation. Pathway 2 integrates directly into your existing Google account, Google Vids. Once you sign in with your Google Workspace credentials, you will find a dedicated Veo 3 tab on the left-hand menu. This dashboard presents 2 options. The Create from Scratch card opens a text-first environment to generate entirely new clips. Alternatively, the Animate an Image card allows you to upload static photographs and apply motion. That brings us to the third pathway, SnapGen AI. Navigate to their site and use the Register with Google button for instant dashboard access. SnapGen is unique because it bypasses standard Veo credit metering for text prompts. Look at this interface. Generating a clip here costs 0 credits, providing a high-volume testing ground. However, SnapGen locks their image upload feature behind a paywall. Attempting to animate a static asset here will trigger this premium payment prompt. To maximize efficiency, use Google Vids to animate files from your workspace, but utilize SnapGen strictly as a sandbox for refining your text-to-video prompts. Unlimited access is only effective if you communicate clearly with the engine. For professional results, we must structure prompts using a specific 3-variable blueprint. Look at this prompt editor. First, establish a specific environment, like a clean, modern office. Second is the action. A team uses AI tools to run their business, preventing chaotic motion. Finally, the emotional vibe, showing a calm and control vibe, dictates the aesthetic. If you type conversational paragraphs or use vague adjectives, the Veo engine guesses at your intent, which leads to visual hallucinations. Applying this 3-part syntax removes much of the randomness from AI generation, providing a more reliable method for creating professional-grade video assets. Because Flow, Vids, and SnapGen all utilize the same back-end engine, processing times are identical. Look at this progress indicator. Expect every approved prompt to take exactly 50 seconds. Here's the full access matrix. Flow is your tool for high-volume agency work. Vids handles your internal workspace files. SnapGen is your unlimited testing ground for text prompts. Open a new tab, sign in to SnapGen AI, and run your first prompt using the 3-part formula right now. Premium AI video generation is no longer dependent on a massive budget. With the correct setup, the tools are already waiting for you.